Hello everyone, welcome to Monkey Art! And today we're going to draw what? Today we are going to draw a cute little hamster, and we're gonna use some markers, one piece of paper, and we're gonna need one black marker, and I'm gonna use my rocket marker. So guys, let's get started. Let's draw this beautiful, cute little hamster. We're gonna start from the middle. It's gonna be like a big circle. We're gonna draw his nosy nose. And we're gonna make like a mouth. And here, and then we're gonna put like a little tongue, and now we're gonna draw his cute little eyes. Cool. Then we're gonna make two little circles. Just like that. And later we're gonna color those. And now we're gonna make his beautiful cute cheeks. So one dot here. One here, and let's make it like a half circle here, and on this side. Cool. And we're gonna go all the way up. You can actually make something like that. Then we're gonna go down. Ooh-hoo. Ooh-hoo. Cool. This cheek is a little bit bigger than this one, but that's fine. Now let's make some ears. Like a mouse. Now we're gonna make his little tiny hands. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Cool. And we can make one more circle. And here. Nice. And then we're gonna make here a little candy. Let's make a candy. He will be holding a yummy yummy in my tummy candy. And it's gonna be like a swirl. It's gonna go just like that. Cool. Then we're gonna make some little toes, feet, and they're gonna go something like this. Good. We have one. Let's add another one. Cool. And now we need to add his body. And on this side. And there we go. We have completed our little hamster. Just gonna make this one a little bit thicker. Just like that. And maybe this one. And there we go, guys. It's looking super cute. And can we have some magic color? Oh yeah! It's time to magic! To make some beautiful colors? Yeah! Okay, let me get my magic wands. Alrighty then. Let's go! 3, 2, 1. And there we go, guys. We have completed our little hamster holding a yummy candy. So we're gonna give it a little check mark as completed. And we're gonna give it a little heart because we love our little hamster. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and see you next time. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.